Hey everybody, welcome back once again to the Blind Pig YouTube channel. As always, I'm your host, Jason. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. Today I'm going to make a drink that might be terrible. That's a horrible way to start a video, I know it. But I'm making this video around the ingredients. I was at the store, I saw this Mountain Dew Flamin Hot Dew. It's dew with a blast of heat and citrus. Thought to myself, who would ever drink that? Not me for sure, but maybe it's good in a cocktail. So I'm starting thinking about it. I think, you know what, maybe a Flamin Hot Mountain Dew Margarita could work. That's what I'm going to give a shot. Make this on camera for the first time ever. That way, if it turns out great, we get an awesome video. If not, maybe we still have a good video out of it. First, I'm going to give it a try. I'm already dreading this. I haven't had Mountain Dew in a long time. It's always so sickeningly sweet. It smells like Mountain Dew. That's not good. It's very sweet. It's only a little spicy. I expected a lot more from the Caution Flamin' Hot. I guess you're going to do so much of the soda though. But let's give this a shot anyway. So like I said, we're going to make a Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot Margarita. So we're going to put some ice in a shaker first. I'm kind of winging this as I go once again. Let's do, I already cut a lime in half. Let's juice half a lime. Now, I don't think I need to add a sweetener to this. Usually I would add agave syrup or simple syrup. The Mountain Dew is sweet enough, so I'm going to avoid that. Definitely want to add some extra citrus in there with the lime. I'm also going to, before I discard this, rim my glass, and I'll get back to why in a bit here with the lime. Let's stick to our normal pour of a margarita, which is a 2-to-1. Tequila versus orange liqueur. So we got 2 ounces of our Blanco tequila. Any tequila should work. Use whatever you have at home. I usually prefer Blanco in my margaritas. We're going to use 1 ounce of our Cointreau. This is our orange liqueur. There we go. And I don't want to add the Mountain Dew to the shaker. Probably self-explanatory, but it's a carbonated beverage. You don't want to shake a carbonated beverage. So let's shake what we have in here, though. All right, before I pour this, I rimmed already some lime. I'm going to use some tahini. Tahini is a substitute if you like a spicy margarita. It's a mix of like chili powder and salt, a whole bunch of ingredients. Has a really nice color to it. I think it does really well with a spicy drink. So hopefully this works out pretty well. This one I'm not going to strain it. I actually want the ice out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and just free pour that into my glass. Add a little more ice to that. And top with our Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew. Interesting color, it's orange. Looks more red in the bottle. Okay. Let's give that a quick stir. Make sure at least the good parts are mixed in there. And give this a shot. So cheers to our Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew Margarita. That's pretty good. I'm not going to lie. I would be willing to lie. I'm not lying in this case. That's actually pretty good. It's way better than drinking the Mountain Dew by itself, that's for sure. The good tequila helps. The good Cointreau helps. The tahini adds a nice little heat to the rim. Oh man, I really enjoy that. So yeah, actually I'm going to say, make this one at home. So once again, thanks for joining. Please like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment below. Helps the algorithm out. I appreciate you joining. We'll see you later.